Good morning, everyone. I just kind of wanted to do an update video on my last video about starting the backyard nursery. I kind of stopped with my blueberries, but I wanted to take everyone a little bit down further to see what else I have. So down that way, there's a bunch of honeyberries, and there's also a blackberry, an unknown blackberry variety because it was given to me. It was actually bare root. I had to put it in the ground immediately to make sure that it survived, but it's right there, and it's doing well. So hopefully by next year we'll get some blackberries. But both those rows, which I'll clean up a little bit so you guys can see it more, but both of those rows there are different varieties of Haskell's. So we have indigo gems. We have two bushes of indigo gems. We have berry blue, honeybee, and borealis. So we have a few different varieties of those berries. Now the plan with these, besides a bunch of fresh eating, of course, is once they get to a healthy, mature stage, then I'm going to try to propagate a bit off of those. But I'm also going to look into getting a bunch shipped to myself, potting them up and selling those. I'm going to turn around a little bit. That's my dog Charlie right there. He was just playing with the ball. He's rolling around enjoying himself this morning. But as you can see behind me, that space right there is where I'm going to put my greenhouse when I get it. And if you look up against the fence, I have 2 black trash cans and 3 pallets. One trash can has a bunch of mulch in it and other things like scraps of vegetables and things like that that is composting. That's what I'll use to help with the potting soil mix for my nursery. So that's composting down, and once I get that composted, I'm going to buy a bunch of cocoa coir and mix that in and some perlite or vermiculite, one of the two, and I'll mix all of that in to try to get, a good soil mix. But those are my 3 composters at the moment. The pallets I'll build up and start throwing compost and horse manure into it. I know someone that has plenty of that, obviously, because they have horses, and so I'll start that out as well. That's the plans anyways. But any scraps until then, and coffee, I drink a lot of coffee, so any coffee, any vegetable scraps of any kind of sort, I'll also have those put in there. So anyways, this is just a short update video of everything that's going on. So have a good one.